Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up AWS Glue for serverless ETL jobs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up AWS Glue for serverless ETL jobs, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service from the Services menu. On the AWS Glue dashboard, click on Get Started if this is your first time using the service. If not, select Databases from the left side menu. Create a new database by clicking on Add Database. Give your database a name and an optional description, then save it. Next, go to the Tables section to create a new table for your data source. Click on Add Table and select the appropriate data source type, such as S3 or RDS. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your data source settings. After defining the data source, proceed by clicking on Next. Set up column mappings by defining the schema of your data. Once you've mapped all the necessary columns, click Next to review your settings. If everything looks correct, click Finish to complete the table creation. Return to the AWS Glue dashboard and select Jobs from the left menu. Click on Add Job to start the process of creating an ETL job. Provide a name for your job and select the IAM role that has the necessary permissions. Choose Spark as your job type, and set the Glue version to the latest available option. In the This Job Runs section, select a new script to be authored by you. For the script file name, specify a name for the script that will be created. Next, configure the ETL script options by selecting Input and Output data sources. Once configured, click on Save Job and Edit Script to open the code editor. In the script editor, you'll find a basic structure for your ETL job. Edit the script as needed to transform the data according to your requirements. You can test the script by clicking on the Run Job button. Monitor the job's progress through the Job Runs section of the dashboard. After the job completes successfully, check the output location to verify the results. To schedule the job, return to the Jobs section, select your job, and click on Edit Job. In the Schedule section, choose a frequency that meets your ETL requirements. Finally, save all your changes and exit the configuration screens. Your AWS Glue job is now set up and ready to run on a scheduled basis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.